Hi guys, welcome back to a Kitchen Advisor channel. As always, we share with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we are making tzatziki sauce, which is a popular and very delicious Greek appetizer. Last week we made Greek yogurt in Instant Pot. You can find a link to this recipe below the video. Use the Greek yogurt as a base for the tzatziki sauce. Peel, shred and drain the cucumbers. Place them on the paper towel and squeeze as much moisture as possible. Place yogurt into a separate bowl. Add dill. Mix cucumber into yogurt. Add salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and lemon juice. Mix thoroughly. Oh, I almost forgot to add the garlic. Here you go. Transfer to a serving bowl and garnish with a sprig of dill and sprinkle of cayenne pepper for color. You may serve it immediately or refrigerate for a couple of hours. Don't forget to press the like button. If you are new at our channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of the best recipes for busy families. Check our website at kitchenadvisor.com for more yummy and easy recipes.